Are your current financial problems leaving you frustrated, confused, and hopeless? Are your bills piling up with no relief in sight?
Are you afraid of making smart financial decisions that can potentially improve your life or career?
Failure with your finances does not have to last forever, and there is no need for you to further burden yourself with financial problems.
Being broke can have so many health implications, in addition to lowering one's confidence. Meet Andy, who recently had similar problem and got frustrated. Lost job, unemployed, broke and bills piling up. He can't find a way out and got stuck, until he found Flipsy Career Success. He's now a happy man because he got solution to his hectic problems. How would you feel to get paid free money whilst you learn? And not only that, but you can also earn unlimited commissions in 50 and 20 CDs on complete autopilot. I'm sure you can now see how beneficial FCS can be for your life. What are you waiting for? Take action now.